Hi and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. I'm Mike and today, dogs and clamps. After this. Now you have your MFT table, you need accessories for it. Dogs, clamps. And there are plenty of people happy to sell you these. But hey, we're makers. We can make these. Dogs. These are really just 20mm cylinders of metal. You can pay from around £5 for these, up to £30 for complicated ones. But this is a standard size for metal bar. You can buy a 20mm aluminium bar for less than £20 a metre. That's enough to make 20 50mm dogs, or a full set of different lengths. This is 20mm stainless tube. Perfect fit and easy to cut with a hacksaw to length. Do I do this? No, for two good reasons. Firstly, I have a metalworking lathe. And secondly, I don't make my dogs 20mm. Yes, the part that goes into the hole is 20mm, but the rest is 21. The extra millimetre makes no practical difference in use, but it makes it much more secure on the table. You can get collars for dogs, or tapered rings that require you to chamfer the holes, but this bypasses all of that. There's nothing magic about 20mm. Some countries use 3/4 of an inch, which is 19.1mm. I'm making all my accessories so the shaft can be any size I like. With a lathe you can turn out dogs from aluminium, steel or whatever, quick and cheap. The cost of a full set of accessories could pay for a small lathe. Clamps. They come in all sizes. You will probably recognise this. They're made in millions and have a wide range of brands. This came from B&M and cost around £3. But it isn't an MFT clamp? Well, it can be. The end comes off just by unscrewing this screw. If you then clamp the bar in a vise, heat the centre, twist it and then bend it, you end up with something like that. A firm clamp, very cheap. It works with the mini versions too. These are ideal for clamping small items. This is another type of clamp. A piece of 6mm stainless rod threaded at one end with a star wheel and a clamp made from laminated plywood. Pops through the hole, tighten the star wheel and you have a firm clamp. You can make 4 of these for under a £5. Wedges too can be used. Placed between a dog and the workpiece, you can produce a very firm fit. These particular wedges are made from composite decking. It's a plastic type material which is very rigid and works extremely well. If you don't have any yourself, see if you can find a neighbour that's put this in and see if you can get an offcut. This is what the decking looks like. You need the solid stuff, not the hollow. If you can't find an offcut, then some manufacturers offer free samples. Sometimes the gap is too big and they won't fit. But this 4-way guide means that there's always a side that allows you to engage it. Gap very small. This is an eccentric clamp. Fits in close and then swings to tighten. I designed it to use the tool from my grinder. And there we have it, a swift counter through my dogs and clamps. I hope you found it interesting and that it inspires you to make your own accessories. More next time.